In this video, we will show how to stake ELRON USDT LP token in ELRON Web3 platform. First, go to MetaMask wallet, click Networks and select Smart Chain. Make sure you have USDT and ELRON token in order to provide liquidity later. Then, navigate to PancakeSwap.finance. Select Trade and click Liquidity. Add liquidity. Click Select a currency and choose USDT. Next, select ELRON token. Then, key in the value of USDT and ELRON token. Click Supply. After you read through this, click Confirm Supply. We can skip this part if we already import Cake LP token in MetaMask. Then go back to your MetaMask account. You will see the LP token has been transferred to your wallet. After that, go to ELRON Web3 platform, app.elron.io. Connect to your MetaMask account and click ELRON LP Farm. Approve Stake. Then, click Stake and key in the amount that you wish to stake. Within a few moments, you will see your LP token has been staked.